Alright, so we'll start from the beginning. I wanted to find a way to add subtitles because I have this video that I uploaded 9.5 years ago that has no audio. And the reason why is because at the time I was with friends, and every time I spoke to try and talk to make this video, people around me thought I was talking to them, and they would answer me and say, what did you say, or whatever, and I just kept on stopping and starting and stopping and starting, and in the end I thought, I'll just record it and then remove the audio. At the time, 9.5 years ago, we didn't have the option for subtitles on YouTube, and I came across a different clip just purely by accident, just looking around. I wasn't really searching for it, but I came across a different clip of mine that when I went to it, and so I go to this one here and go subtitles, I can then go duplicate and edit and go edit timings, and now I can edit and correct any auto-generated captures from YouTube to correct the wording of it or something. So I was like, okay, well maybe I can go back to the original video that I have no audio and put some in so it's got something instead of nothing. So then I went there and I got this: your caption track failed to upload, please try again. And I was like, crap, so I can't. And then I thought, well, what if I add a second language and put subtitles? So I decided to go English Canada because that was the next one underneath normal English, and I was able to add my own captions. So I was like, sweet. So I've done that, and I've added my own captions all the way through this video. And I haven't published it yet because I thought I'd save that until this last step, because this is new to me. So I figured I might as well make a video about it. I'm learning while I'm videoing and making this clip for YouTube, but you can see if I make any mistakes or whatever. So I've gone through every single bit. The annoying part about it is, and I'll go to the end to show you, if I go to here and say I want to put, I'll get to the clip here and I was like, okay, I want to put something there. When I go add, it puts it before it instead of after it, and then I've got to go and drag this to after it every single time. I'm not going to put anything in that, so we'll just leave that blank. Okay, so save the draft, and we'll just minimize that. I don't know if there's anything, if I can delete that. Oh, I can, cool. Alright, so that's everything in there, and that's ready to go. How I got here was obviously in YouTube Studio. If you're making videos, you obviously know how to get to this point here. Then you go to subtitles, and then we'll come back to here. I'll close that. Go to subtitles and then go add language, and off you go. And so if you've got a video that, like me, has no sound, you want to add captions, come here. I'm yet to find out how the captions work for someone else. We will get to that. So let's get publish on that. Excellent. So now what if I was to go add another language and go English again, because I know there's more than one. So you got English United States, can I just go add? I have to go manually. I can go upload file. Okay, so I'm going to come back to the one that I've already done, Canada, and go edit. Okay, it would be nice if I could save this to a file and then I can upload it again. So we'll just get out of that. Discard changes, we didn't make any. So what have we got here? Download. I don't think it really matters. I think this is the option here, so we'll just go with that there. Okay, sweet. So it's downloaded Captions VTT, sweet. So now I'll go into United States one and I'll add that, and then I'll go, where was it? Upload file. with timing, continue. Okay, we'll select the file that we just saved, open it. Nice. So we'll publish that. I'm going to add them all. So we go to English again, United Kingdom, upload with timing. Nice. Oops. Oh. That saves time, doesn't it? Just add them all first and then come back to here. Sweet. I might even be able to add a few other languages. Go into Google Translator or something and get it translated, and why not? Alrighty, well that's that. So now let's go to this clip. And we'll go to a different browser. So view from someone else's perspective. Okay, so there's no captions there at the moment, which is fine because I kind of expected that. The original, just English, has no captions, but if I was to come down to here, subtitles, oh yeah, sweet. So English, nothing. If I choose the Canada one, and ta-da, I've got something. So I'll need to put a message at the beginning to let people know they can turn subtitles on. Okay, so let's come back to here. Go back to edit. Now I can put an info card maybe. Oh, I know, in the description. I'll just change the description. To view subtitles. To view subtitles. Oh, that's not right. Go. To view subtitles, go to settings in the video and turn them on. Thanks. Yeah, that's good enough. That's about the only thing I can do. So if I go back to the other video, the other channel, it'll be in the description. Unfortunately, the other people have to look there. I'll have to refresh that. So now, at least people can watch this video now and have some sort of connection with it. They've actually got something to read and know what's going on. Not the best clip I've ever done. That was 9.5 years ago. I think it was my very first clip. But anyway, I'm not going to take it down just to edit it and then upload it again. It's already got its comments and so forth. So we're going to leave it as that. Alrighty, well that's about it. That's all I can show you. I hope that helped. Alright, till next time. Cheers guys.